Check, check, check. It is 9:39. Watching this NVDA again. Kind of spending the next week or so just focusing on one stock to kind of zone in on its behavior. And this NVDA is the most relatively active one, so that's the one I chose. Lots of liquidity, can get in and out. Watching it go back into its pre-market range. And down here, inside of its pre-market range, I'm curious around the 17 something, mid 17s, if a buyer will step back in. So we will see. Maybe even 1780s here if a buyer steps in. But I'd rather wait for the 40s down here and watch for a buyer step in down there. So let's watch as we start to approach 70s. Alright, I'm just gonna wait until it triggers my alert down here. Okay, now it's a few minutes later, 9:44, and we're back down underneath 18. Looking to see if we come back down into the 60s, 50s, 40s area. Okay, back to waiting. And just noting here, there's a lot of attempts to get back to highs, and we're not getting there. Feels like these low 80s, 70s are going to break soon, doesn't it? Sub buyer. Somebody in there is defending those 80s, 70s, but here's another attempt at the 70s. Low 70s, there's the 60s, so watching pretty carefully here as we get down into the 60s, 50s area. Here's the 60s, there's the 50s, there's the 40s. Gonna try to get 62s. Got 62s. Can it go right away? Not really, no. Can it go? Not really going. 70s, can it get back above? Don't like this. It's not lifting those 70s. There's some 70s lifting. Can we get to the 80s? Nope. I'm gonna have to take some off up there. I'm gonna take some off here at the high 70s. Can we keep lifting? I'm out. I dropped it. What did I get? 61s. Maybe they need to flush through again. But definitely looking for the buyer down here. I'd really need to see something here in order to get me in the long now. Like that. Got 51. Can we go? No. No. About to bomb out of this unless we can get above 51. Can we get above 60? Can we get above 60? No. About to bomb out of this. About to get stopped out of this, actually. 50s. Can those buyers start winning? No, they couldn't lift those 54s. Not really going here. About to get stopped out on this. And took the stop on it. Still like this level though. '30s. 40s. There's the 50s. Wow. I'm gonna try to get 55. Did not get it. Got it there. 55. Can we go? Can we lift those 61s? The 61's selling there. You see that? Can't get up above it. I'm gonna need to get up above that. 61 selling. There's 65. Gonna take some off at 68. Didn't get it. Got it there. Can we lift those 68s? We can. Can we get up through the 70s? Nice little pop here. 70s. There's the 80s coming up. Oops. I'm gonna take one off here in the 80s. Can we get up to 18? Can we get up to 18? Don't really want to see it below 75 cents now. Here's 85. Can we get above those 85s? Yes, here's testing 85s. We couldn't really get above. Let's give it another shot. Here's 85s. Can we get up? 90s, excellent. Can we get to the hole? I'm gonna take it there if I can get it. Did not get it up there at the 90s. Let me leave it up there, see if we can come back up and retest. No. There's 90s again. Can we get up? No. I'm gonna take it off right there. Nope, and now it got up to the 90s. But either way, I like the trade. I do. Let me set a marker for review. Wow. Very busy here at 17. There's somebody buying a whole bunch here. And there's that drop. '80s. '80s. Wow. Got 89s. Can they go? Long, 89 long. No. Stopped out. Maybe a little bit early on that. Still heading lower, still watching this, trying to get 84s, did not get it. Can I get it here? Got it there, long 84s. Can this buyer go? Needs to get up over 90 fairly quickly here. There's 90. Can we get up to the hole? I'm gonna set an offer up there in case we get up. Nope, we came all the way back in. Don't want to see that. I want to see them get back up to 90. Is this buyer gonna step in? 90s. Where am I up at? 98 cents, but we did not get up there yet. Can we lift? These 90s, 91s, good, 92, 93. Can we go? Got the 98 fill. Let's see if this buyer continues to go. Can we get up over 17 hole? Good. Good push there. Can we get up to 1710s? Struggling a bit here. Nice blast. I'm going to take one off at 8 if I can get it. Didn't get it. Got it there. And now we're up to the teens. Nice push. Teens. Can we keep going? Got one left. 20s. Very nice push. Can we keep going? 30s. Gonna take it off here at 30. Very nice. Very nice little push right there. Very happy with. I wish I wouldn't have taken the first initial stop, but very nice little push there. Let me set a marker here for review. Maybe I can find a way to not have taken that first loss there. Check, check, check. It is 11:20, and we just had a fairly big sell-off here, and now climbing up into 16. I'm less interested here at 16 and more interested closer to this pre-market low area above 16, maybe 1640 to 1660s to look for a seller to step in again. Let's see if we can see a seller step in. If they take out the 16 size or 60,000. Yep, they're taking them out. Sellers refreshing. They did a lot more than 60,000 there. So watching closely here as this continues to move upward. Got 13s. Needs to go right away. Can it get down underneath? And it's not going to be for long. This is a... No, I'm getting out. I didn't like it. I did not like it. I'll try again. I think they're going to go higher first. 15, 16, selling a lot. Watching carefully here. Gonna try to get 11s. Did not get it. Got it there. Needs to go right away. Are the sellers coming in? No. I don't like it. I'm going to get out. I did not like it. It just wasn't going. So I think I got in at 11 and out at 11. Very nice attempts to get back up. Gonna try to get nines there. Got nines. Can we go straight away down? Is the seller able to step in and start getting... Can we get down through the 16 level? Can they sell it down through 16? 97, 95, 94. It's better. I'm going to take some off here at 96 on the bid. Looking for them to continue selling. Can they break down through those 90s? Down to the 80s here. I'm going to take one off on this move. Got 1/5 of the position left. Can they flush out down below these 80s as well? I think they're going to flush these 80s. There's the 70s. Can they keep selling? 80s, 70s. Is it catching a bid here? Can that seller start blowing? Nope. All right, I'm going to take it off right there. And I took it off right before it dropped the 80. Okay, so there you go. Now it'll probably drop out to the 50s or 40s.